So, our egg mixture has been added. Apparently I made a little too much. That's fine. I'll put it away and have an omelet tomorrow. This will now go in to our heat. Be careful when you walk. Goes into the heat. 50 minutes at... Oh, where's our temperature? Nope, that's 55. That's 45. Let's go to 50. Okay, so we're going to put it in the heat at 375 for 50 minutes. Remember, we always add, in this case, a little bit extra because the heating process, again, I still haven't cleaned that glass. I apologize in advance.